In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Cloud Storage. So since right here, I have in here this help article from Adobe about managing your own cloud storage. So you can head over and get storage right here, depending on your plan. For individual user folders, quota used by all users, irrespective whether they're active or inactive. So they have a certain number of gigabytes that they can use. We also have options for shared storage, and we also have storage reports and zip folders. So for the view, you can view your shared storage by viewing its details. You can select the folder for which you want to view it and select details to see it. You can also manage individual user folders by depending on the type of user. You can open the relevant tab, selecting the desired folder and click on details. You can also delete them by selecting a folder and clicking on permanently delete option that's right there. You can also remove user by adding right here their name, then clicking on permanently delete. You can also set content retention policy for inactive users as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.